you see flooded homes. A lot of flooding will be evident everywhere you turn, every corner of the earth.
Yung ating namang Navy and Coast Guard are scoring the areas, particularly between the river and the sea. At right now, we were able to rescue 18 people. Ang ating namang helicopters, they are also conducting rescue operation right now.
Sa sunod-sunod na kalamidad na yumanig sa Pilipinas at maging sa ibang parte ng mundo, malinaw na tila ganti ng kalikasan sa pang-abuso ng tao. Huwag nating hintayin maraming buhay pang mawala. Pahalaga na tigalang ang ating kalikasan. Huwag sirain ang kalikasang yaman para sa susunod pang henerasyon. Save forest, save life. Isang paalala mula sa Design and Productions of Audiovisual Development Communication Department, University of the Philippines, Open University.